mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. Adwuma.
The mid-morning show. The midmorning show. Have a blessed day.
Abraboimu enimgwasia machi Sabi radia yamineya Sabika kawumini Kanelo baby ana mitipa
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Sabi di mabraboimu adasia chawa Bika kawumini Hey Yama betru ye ratia dwo Aminu ejano dini minu ene onfremi sebio Osonya kupasa semedio Hey oyami yo Yama betru ye tade ye wonse yemi ambo Awuchensi matade shemenyina Mamidia tade fufro biatitem Adomya shematade fufro
Adwuma.
Brana chochi bubom ehumritu di poto jemi temu fima wiye musa atum rapono branya kuponai mami wo enimo mi ya umu brana ya bubro kumene masino di pipe di mi temu di aya bitanya be sama frewa eya bro And God of Enoch, He heard my desperate cry. He lifted me. Oh, He lifted me, and He set me free.
Have a blessed day.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Radio Papa. Thank you.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. This is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl for Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
For he has been good to us. We're still alive. We are not dead. We have not been buried. We still have life. We still breathe. We still walk.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Open your mouth, somebody, and worship. Worship. Don't get tired. Worship. Worship. Worship.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And it kept me over 10 minutes just to sign in. Eye nyankopon adom. Eye nyankopon hu mobro bi na so me no mienu so. Eye nyankopon hu odin bi na no pe me no mienu yete ase. Sano pe yete ase. Yete nkwemu. Tetrema dabo dwe mogya redi am afusane a. Na eye nyankopon adom. Enye ye sika bia ye wo account mu. Enye atade bia no pe ye hyeye. Enye ya ho ofa bi. Enye ohwe bia etimi hwe obi. Enye sika bia ye mo obi as chop money. Nyankopon daroma. Nyankopon adom obi kwada nra no pe na busuafo esu. Obi focus wo tu kwan wa krafie. Eso no pe busuafo no nya akọ a. If you honina ye dede. Jare ketua bi di obi ko hospital. Anope ko hospital hodo. Ko hwe wo mo bompaye. Wo mo sra Nyankopon se nkebe ya. Anka busuani na nka yama ne chance ba ko bi na concentrate bi o. Anope ko hwe wo ma wo di esu. Eko sra wo bi abusua anope. Because from come on ya keke. Ano pay shawati asia. Ano pay shawati asia. Enya wadom. Ano pay shawati asia. Enya wa hoden. Ano pay shawati asia. Nyankopon adom. Nyankopon hu mo bronti na de pa bi ache wonzo. Nyankopon adom binti. Ano pay Okan ti asofo ho. Them watch him walk about the Ahenkan 93.3 FM so. Bigidi ye pan sa ho ye. Sanope sa wote me kasa. Nas anope wote afofron so kasa. Na chese Nyankopon wadomo pa. Begin to worship, begin to say thank you Lord. Begin to say something. Maybe I will be a sa wote store, wote taxi. Wote office, wherever you are. Begin to worship the Lord. Fia se kan bi wa kuma mu kire rade. Kan bi wa kuma mu fa kire rade. Mane hu sampa woni so bebrebe a ya ma ho. Mane hu se ni so in fact woni so bambo kese a wode ato so. Woni so hwe so pa bi a wode adom wo. Enyo bia na nya sei. Ena me di kan no. And then ya den to ma fita kata obi so hospital bi. And the doctor be a catcher be say I'm sorry. And the doctor be a catcher be say shedding Nyankopon edema ono an oje. But o yan can be chara no pay. And pay unya bad news call bia. And pay obi an say o mood here. And pay asamboni bi an to here. And pay
We are not dead. We have not been married.
Mombo abo sika no samo ko to fun adaka.
We still walk.
Nyankopon showers from January 1st to 13th December. Nyankopon ye bebre. Nyankopon wa ye bebre di ama wo. Ene ye benada. Wasugusa with 93.3 FM. Your friend me Jenny me champion boating caspo so bet me friend me Kobina Costi. Ya brand part the perfect gentleman. Yatinasi from now to 12 p.m. Ashadaka Sian Koma. Emmanuel Jumo DJ Shabo na Nato Pahen. And a copy K. Send a message. I was 0594841044. A text message number 0594841044. Not making kind from our 93.3 FM. What's my joining show so live on the Facebook. Now for with the messages in your bar. It's just by the grace of God that I'm still alive. Nyankopon dom na humo bro entina make up na boate me da so ti ase entina won so wo da so ti ase obetimi age won kwan fru nsem tembi opebia wontimi nka hwe nanso se we decide say onji mfru nsem we decide say obebon ho ban we decide say adie biara nipa bi ye fa ho kokoa mu bra wada adie bi obi ye bia no obemana yenkwasasem se no ma hitofio adina to nyina yenkwasasem a na chese Nyankopon odo pa. Right, yeah, I'll bring you our daily dose of motivations. You crash out some of the bro and benada. Now for you, ready, oh, you know, so, bro, baby, I will be on the patch or mention of feeding free. Afei anase nene de kan edi kan na odi wo fidi ato ho no ma me pacho wutie Ahenkan 93.3 of ya frame me Kobina Costi na me di dwumadi ho chia me from Nondu e kopem se bebo 12 na ya service wo ne ade ma me chia me taxi drivers me pacho obi ahote se gidi ye pan se ampa waka se ye me twi ka fiti January besi and 13 December binya accident binya assemble ni biara asem bia bro me so ento me da Nyankopon ase wo ka ne mu enchaka se yankoma Bradevi enkoma Apasco Rauf MP3 enkoma Staga Obama enkoma Ricardo Tanko Oba Tampa Jonathan Medishie enkoma Piero Brakwami Okesia Baruso Boy enkoma Emos Bonash and Tilapia Afamicha Mr. Oben Mr. Chumesi KNL Fashion Munyamu Abuabu Heya Afwe so Salum de Gambia Asenifo nyinanim and a Berman Quine or Achim Asene Afwe SDA Junction Bra Michael we a carpenter and Mahana Ghost Time is the best fashion and exclusive beauty salon Munyamu SDA Junction Madame Leticia of Aseda Beauty Salon and Patty's Golden Scissors more Amantra and I'll pay Chicha Mungina Janisi Fashion good morning Charity Fashion Jaji and a Jam Transport also more Kameni Junction and I'll pay Mungina Mohote say gidi ye ponsa moye after Frida's clothing ewo akutomo rease quality fashion ewo old education dido ewo run about Priscilla ewo first stop and after Edna also Ghana Commercial Bank and Madam Pat Madam Pat Madam Vera Nana Joa and Madam Maggie more Odan Government Hospital and also me checha magina yanko asanibio na inchia Hope of Grace Shito Hope of Grace K3 service glad some pabi and pay good morning me pacho ho to say bibia boko there okay remember the dose of motivations and pay bibia will be on stay tuned benko bibia
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Sami dana seda ampa sha wo hwe be Nyankopon odi wo free ani baby odi wo dru a I was so dana say is it sometimes obi ya de ma wo kra wo pesa wo appreciate na man who say de na wa ya ma no eso woni how much more ye Nyankopon ayesom no o ya de ma wa me fa cho aya na esese wo dana say SSL what kind of case ya channel in fact SSL we ya man who say me be adia me ya money when you boni ya na mo anopa bia wo de me nase e ma me anopa bia no wo ma me hu ampa nyama ya no bro na adwene ne ntiase so etoda da nyankopon ase right yanko your daily dose of motivations this morning yan kran sha se man pay ba sheden so say Nyankopon Eya Adwuma Samikisi Ministries presents my Thanksgiving Experience 2023 second edition on Airbus of 1st January next year and Airbus so me pa job happening with CAC or the new town. It is a lot Jamaica hona numere 5 p.m. sharp na ya schedule made na se so say Nyankopon be ya dom na mohoma sane pa na sade ne de wow me say up this year more month me about 1st January 2022 more month me about next year 1st January 2023 making sure so baba me pa job me hu free e san say enoma kese na be happy no hima Esther Eba Minister Jenkwan Minister Tracy Domina Minister Nefi Inshaba Prince and now for Jack Alolomi and a guest artist Jack Alolomi Nyankopon Adwuma also and mobile na jumedi na ye krabehwe Nyankopon Adwuma so Samikisi enso ejina musa ne ade a me pa cho 0205 045 665 na 0240777315 na opeso so jumedi na sia Color Studios and Digital Embroidery adaroma anopa bia no ye de yankran sha sem ye de bro ye more the daily dose of motivations I beg your pardon Color Studios and Digital Embroidery adaroma na anopa bia ye de bro me pa cho wedding photographies picture framing birthday photography wedding photography picture framing studio photography Lacoste embroidery ni ade nyina okọ Color Studios obeso to art or Liberty Transport opposite Keno Pharmacy or hana be huno friend 0245276638 0245276638 now no pay yankran sha se me pa cho tie pa me says a fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. Don't be scared to start all over again. A fresh start isn't a new place, it's a new mindset. Don't be scared to start all over again. Shenen so say abrabona wo bono. Bibia betumi esi. Abrabona wo bono, penifo se eye kukuhwe ase. Just say ube kukuru na etoda betumi so ajiunsem. Na se ekoba se ajiunsem a, don't be scared to start all over again. Tie. Seni abrabona tie no, unya bibia totoroto, unya bibia pepepe. Etoda nyoma betimi asai, etoda nyoma betimi akoye. Nemom se ankoye, seni awo expecting na. Don't, and again, don't be scared to start all over again. Sometimes a setback at work, a breakup in a relationship or failure in life can leave you broken and also disappointed. But when you see, sometimes starting afresh gives you a new perspective. You know, ultimate trust in who say, okay, me the first say, and I'm the call say, but I ye be cradia. Now me who say I may leave my brabo. Sometimes a business idea be to me say, what this cash be my own say, I am this cash me, uncle ye, and I say, next time I will start to be no man fun show with him say, you are a failure, no. But then when you say it has given you a new perspective, and then when you could grow to start all over again, Shannon says, I was share see I'm a patch up on that. So what share see on the home, then what share see over sorry a prapra, one prapra was him, a prapra, a fimbiara, a cow or brow shares, so you'll be able to start again, you'll be able to have the energy to start all over again. Shannon say abrabo say then what share see and so sometimes it gives you new insights and also a new motivations to do things differently. Sana brabo netie. Say na brabo netie. Eti Shannon so na hu say bibia pepe there be ubehwe but say what share see no pay me kira wo say don't be scared to start all over again. Don't be scared to start from the top. Enkofo timi meki abrabo na timi koye ma ebi mo at the age of 25 years na bibia koye ama no Maybe I also short at the age of 25 years. Now you are 40, and it seems normal and core year now. Don't be scared to revisit your 25 years you. Am I communicating? The fact is still be shas here 25 years and your core year man. Now also shas here 25 years and your man core year interest you are a failure. You are not. So Obi shas here at the age of 30. And then Nipano, he or she owns a 6-bedroom apartment. Or as I say, Toby, but you are 45. You are not a failure. You only become a failure if you refuse to start all over again. You only become a failure if you insist not to start all over again. But then say, oh, mistakes. Now we need a new perspective of life. We need new mindsets. Now all refreshing yourself. You realize you say there are more opportunities ahead of you. And this time around, when you grab that opportunity, you'll be able to utilize the chance very well. Because we are living testimony. You've lived a particular life before. So I had a conversation with one prisoner. Obia, what they mupen? Now, one of the other, I mean, he was fortunate one day in Ghana. There be one Ghana prison. Okodemo Mexico prison and Okodai. And I'm saying no catch was a cobna bra ye and pay no. Sisia only Mexico be. Sisia will live life US. Mexico ni US they set so down here abo. And Sisia o free Mexico no. Nyankopon dom Sisia o US. But you see, catch them say cobna bra ye pay free Mexico prison. I don't be na yi me pay. Na me share life coach bi o catch them say all the years I've spent in prison, minya adiebi and minya lesson be from what I went through in prison. And as some catch them and say, "Kobna me, I've lived a freedom life and I've lived on freedom life because I was a prisoner. Unya freedom. Though aboche prison ended as compared to your chrome had you know." But adia bakwa unya se untumi nkoma. Oh, one place you are enjoying life in Mexico prison there, but untumi nkoma. What say? Obna life coach catch them say. Me live abrabo ewo wiase pen. Me live abrabo ewo cells jail pen. Sisia, it is up to me to blend the two to make Sisia Bemabana a successful life for me. As someone catch me go to them dream. Or say me live life our prison pen. Me live life our bonting pen because me live life a bonting and son I make prison. And I spent 7 years in prison. And to me the 7 years experience no. Eto to experience I menya share wa brabo ma. Menkachi. Though I spend 7 years, my wasted 7 years ago. But menkachi. Maybe ye be a free, na be the account, na ma make sure sa brabon be a wonderful one. And to catch from one more gun and say, so official na brabo say a brabono and say because me may live 7 years will be man to prison. Sisi a me bomb pie say no ma be koye de mama. And no man ye man kasa me to US into no ma ye. And no man ye, but I may bomb pie said no ma be ye, and I may war Arishamus say no man catchy. So 31st December, he will be 38 years. This year, 31st December, he will be 38 years. So that means he went to prison at 31 years. 31 years in a core prison. Or Mexico. With these 7 years, I feel I'm Ose kwabena onim se ka mo Ghana nkasa 7 years e bia nka me de ye bibi. But then catchy mommy. I'll be 38 31st December. But catchy mommy. Me pa chabra bon catchy. Ejina wa also. And don't be scared to start all over again. Don't be scared to start afresh. Don't be scared to open a new chapter. 93.3 FM. This is our daily dose of motivation. Young crash and 7 a young commercial break near bra. Yaba. No you free seriousness no na young rawi no kakra. Yadumuzu yaba
Kwekwe bra be hwe ene party am call no. Abrochen so na e dey serve me o. Wo dey hwe ne bottle ni kra me. Hey, Uja. Wait, I'm not coming no water. Now Tenenka, I'm not coming no water. Ghana Hayani, you know. Now, or I say, so Pamude Pona, and Ghana Commercial Bank, car park one more, and a dish and mupe. I want Safufun, and unti, sop and do go Saudi year, would dear wedding, Aberdeen tour, party, so no more fear, and Adwuma dear beer, the patch of 0249 680 213 and a 0500 231 091. In so near then and packaging so FSA, and natural mineral water. Aye natural. FDA ajatum say aye. Hey, ready. Me wanna money say. It is skin rashes pan. Gugu say.
Why me catch no son who money essay? It's sunset. Ya wa SB skin repair. Ewa wa. Ya de baba bwa. Ya wa product bebre. Ewa ho. But modern so benya SB skin shower gel. Na se wo use a. Masa. Ebema who na money sansa ni na ko. Se pimpos na gugu. Ana se bia wa stretch marks. Ana se anansi. Ana gu echi. Ekro ana gu ho. Ana wasra enkubi po. Aman sansa baby. Where was so use SB shower gel. And no ebetimi aboa. Ayi sankro ni kodro so ni na afiri ho. Ama ho atimi atọ.
Enti de me huna maye me kotobi yuso a ebetimi mani nyina akwa na.
Woni problem kra. Ye hia ne sa obahwehwe ye kira kwan. Ye wa kemoda crossing ye ben full gospel. Asole no. Ya no won ana di hwe anim. Ana sa opebi etu so a. Ubetimi afre number 0545 774369. Ayachi Go Get Skincare Enterprise. Yaba say ya dia pomuden ade pro. Neti so pese wo semlana eye semlana abuburo ani kosua eda ho. Unye bi na Saudi dwale a ahon fede emu ana wo. SB Shower Gel Skin Repair. Ya dia base ya de baba ye honam yie. FDA agi atumu se eye.
Hey. When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk kanshi, and you are may move bia your tone in row. At to 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 and ama efia e hwehwam no.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA binding and call limited. And one mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ne se bebre.
Nyoma bi te se dan na wo ho.
Ban zo ne nansen kwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo no na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na dia ba de na ahura potobidi isi
eya akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papa pata susu nyina so atese wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eya JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana enu aso na me de wo horo ncha si mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse chira mansan eh fa no mo wo
je ban wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wa kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso amudi ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesi a
Hele banjo why go
Masa St Andrews asembubu wayek machine biemo Afie we die eye buta
7A's 6A's and 5A's no abruso
enti sesei sa wo beto forms e wo St Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa
afie we ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain emu 997 and a qualify ye ko university
wow we die e buru adwen ene ntiase so
eno nti se wako school bi akọ felipoto
e mane ha okra
for ani tremu St Andrews SHS say St Andrews ebi akwanya ama omo kọ form 3
enti ma won ye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams no bi afie ebe
enti masa akwanya we mpa ho fisa me hu yanka na ka echi
enti fresisia na je wo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004 St Andrews SHS.
We are always
in the league.
Afidie me chinchia na niamidi mani akonwunti Trinity College and make come for mo bia entaisi se obenya school a enkwala do ebekọ choro wase no emu 80% ebenya A1 50% ebenya B2 emu 5% pe ebenya B3 wey akira de sua papa Trinity College achachirafo ede nkwara no fem wo register wase May June 2023 enti abatan ene nkwara mo ho agoka adwemu ewo wase ensohwemu ana wo so kra afei na wo dai so ne se wo betworo wase ne bia na fa ho bedom Trinity College na wo betwa etwa ne ba kope se wo koye science visual art home economics general art business ana course bia yeye ewo SHS na ankoyi a Trinity College emu akwanya ne wasan so atworo ne biom enya better resource afi bia wo monkwara doso ewo universities training college tutumirika wo mra yesase eji adesuafo emu atworo wase May June 2023 ewo hostel facilities ede mama ene meme nyina ye school fees ni bu oda fem ye wo library any ICT lab wo betimi de akoye research English maths and science eye bonus Trinity College ewo mfifiri mantemu Premier Sikuma Estate Kwakude Nglo Junction wa ade ye wo frena mhc a 0244 23 6980 and 0556 91 0415 Trinity College, a step away to university.
Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say, ya dikai. Qatar 2022 World Cup Empire Negra, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ya the commentary emudawo yo po Abramo. Tie fiti anopakopum anumre yampon. The better form wa katabia. Ubati wasum awa Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Yes, we have paraded the best commentators of your time. Tie wa brimpon wa pokuare. Kofi Ajiri, aka AJ, and your sports headmaster Joshua Ajanim. I am going to be part of the commentators. Wadi Ahenkan Kwame Abua, 4 sets. Yabugum say yopo. And 2 person boy got on one day. Our World Cup season here. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say from Kenke to Kankai. Qatar 2022. Ahenkan from commentary, ya beji bebia bajawa.
Ejamomien kana winners a make a difference, Papa.
Now they are fair no
there be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemum se there one more to munchine kra. Oba ojo form 3 straight. Form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no eye compulsory.
So person throw was May June and none of them. The right place. A winners senior high school.
Wayek amomo exam center number. And when you almost transfer wo suku mu hwa. A teacher for a kuku damankasa and a extra wadie. And when you ubetwa no one time. Courses are why no ebi any general arts, pure science, business, home economics, and afe agric science.
Winners senior high school. Ego admission so says here. Ma wonya ha never admission. Emma Oban.
Basic finance our winners divine academia. Waje nkwala every nursery. Ekosi JHS3. Our boarding edema nkwala mu nyina. Ubehunu winners school complex. Ewo nkoko Tidom restaurants ne opposite. Paso nakosi school mu ho. Frepani kwantre for the school no ano. Ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788. Winners School Complex, raising the standard of excellence.
People still don't wonder why I'm still on top. You can make a more for a form, but all you bless me. My name is involved.
Acoustic Fest 2022. On one one ministries. I showed you maybe a yen Afibia. Nafi San Bawa Kwemo on the 18th of December 2022, Sunday and our Supreme Apostolic Faith International Church, Suffolk, Akimodan, behind CMB Co. Time 5 p.m. sharp. They are shared Jumedianasi. Now, and to find out with Jumedian Minister Sets, Ohima Esther, Minister Jenny, now your special guest, our near Babe Frapo Adwuma, and then Lady Frank. Na the Jumedian na esni na so Ohima Sewa. Na asante the Jumedian so the reign of worship. Zechariah 14 verse 17. Amana man in Amba Jerusalem na yen so rewate. Brana na yam fro enko Adwuma ngwane ni. Na afiwe the acoustic fest ebeye big any big ebeye ocha nti enyi ohun fi modofo bra yen sorry erade. Na wo mo so yasema ye this Jumedian ebra wono. Eye Dora Transport, Lucky Joy, Edoye Herbal Center. Where this building, order for a new food now by way. Now, so open shit, movie and answer with your kind of program. For a number way 0542 65 4214 0542 65 4214 and now 0541 88 3077 0541 88 3077.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Usubale woni ebia, this time me kobe sa mami.
jiga 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 me, money jiga me, money jiga me, money jiga 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 me. Boy me huna tishoko, hey me huna tishoko. Na nisano diane na no ni kasa na jukomono no di kumio, hodi kumio. Na junkomo dede nisano ediani dede Ahenkan ni troka Ahenkan ni Diosa Auntie Meli Bayo Diosa Mami Meli Bayo Diosa Mami Meli Bayo Diosa
Yamasa feeling in your friend of Donana.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Yamasa feeling in your friend of Donana. Jamenoa. Hey, Yamasa the friend of Donana.
Adwuma. Jamenoa.
Wait, Adobeba. Obeba na mayalalu. Adobeba. Benfelalu. Adobeba.
Adwuma.
Obeba na mayalalu. Adobeba. Benfelalu.
Right, so good old days. Abba. Odobeba na mayela lu. Obeba na jeze. Me de message mi de refe musa. Seba. Right, so 25 into 11, 93.3 FM. Madam Vera. On the Madam Pat. I don't pay a change. But Madam Pat, in fact, last week in common year, the serious. Madam Pat, last week, you know, okay, now young come information. Information I have to find from a mono. In fact, my serious pan. And yes, a media grow. And see Madam Pat. Mr. Sisubium. Information I'm to find from last week, you know. Many abre. Young far grown to Janya told I any bra jasre. Me many bramins re. Many abreba. And see many abreba. Hey, if you see a girlfriend, and what a great go. So when I was a kid, this question I don't think I ever answered. Oh, my man, no younger than so munase. In so your more call one of the ye. Me the love I have for my mom, whoever that knows me from childhood, the love I have for my mom. And the love I have for my grandma. I don't think, Charlie, these questions are well. They mean to me on Sunday. Say, me grandma, now, me mommy, what they are me from my missing Jamie, me grandma. It's me grandma, me read and zoom car. Mary, bye bye, oh, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Oh, this year by our not the sass and you're in the mammy than zoom car. Or be 1 year to content them cry. Send no big piano to go. You live in the you were none, you were not. Right, so 93.3 FM. Sian Children's Academy. The Patrol 25th anniversary and graduation of Ekoso. Yes, I see Andra. A Juada clean up exercise for Chamasan and Portemonina. And that tight teeth, no. Yeah, indoor games. It was school premises. To one of my Oba. There was a Ludu Koso. Or Koso. Dame Koso. Lime and spoon Koso. Eating competition. Me wafa say Nyakwa. On a 90 manina. Eating competition. Send on with the dino. Now, Shan Nyakwa Sapa. Or the many Bankwa. This is me wafa. When you tell me for Nama Waria. If you're on your journey, Bessa. Akola ni dedipa. Enti nyame ya adoma. Ochinanso. Ya inter-houses competition. Ya bobo. Ya komrika. Ya quiz. Ne ade our campus wo. And after 15th. Ya be float kese pa. And the 16th ya fiala no. And the last hour. Ya prapra jumede ne chikura. Ya was send their backgrounds. Me pa chobra. Be kan ho. Ya old student Brana Yama program near successful. Halfway EPM Media College. EPM Media College is a government-approved professional training institute based in Koko Hotel Junction. Repacho Wamase Brana Yantete Opesawe in Centronia. Bra, na Yantete over 7 years. I'm training credible and serious professional media personalities. And Chuba also be a professional at EPM Media College. You meet highly respected media personalities from the media houses in Koeu and beyond to take you through proper training. Washibrana Yanteto Papa. January 2023 admission forms no aba. Radio courses, TV courses. Brana Beji professional diploma in communications and media studies. And one koko. And to say Opesoyan Centroni. Opesoya radio presenter, DJ, TV presenter. Ahenkan news in the idea. Opesoya professional video editor. Na wako na for pick forms needy. Obenya bia to fear from Achemoda and now for Sort FM ewa Google and I say coin koko school premises one behind ICGC Nako Pebi for 0241 393534 0241 393534 na kwa jinche Light Farmer Limited. When we are so importers of Family Bless syrup and an MBF gingival gel. Now, what him said there be a metransia me case. Family Bless syrup no, a manina down for. Oba Sawi Subida, Peppa Joe. Oh, ya rea. Yeah, you have a system anymore. And you know, Opasiado system no Hong Kong, they are compare Family Bless syrup. Or Babia, in fact, and yet dressing in Kwani Yashe. And yet how articulate you are, and yet dream. And yet life on Crochiano, and on Yashe. There be sometimes ye move man be Briabano. Yet the unwafani Cassade dress in your getting out on China. Yashasan Yausi first year see your horn so far. What in common as it? Yashasan Yausi see your honor. Yampe situation ya. Obadiah see and could Alembran Saya Yada. It will be a tap Pejale Jalbo Niadia. It's a Kojalibo man for the baby and I just brought in Yakupon, say what Shumo can. There be. And non Quadia. Yabaji at Taro near say Pia was your mountain. A coin about fossil rather more ourselves. Shawo de Kashaman on America. And yummy history in America. There be a higher history class. But part of the person change and say, Obadi. So what dream home, I say, oh, green Tadia Basha, no, I drink Sena Obesias, I see one swaffer. Say nka wo ho enye ete wo nim die so asoba ete wo ho ofeso kra your baby best friend family bless syrup opebitho afoi so yo bi asabio untumi nwo ba opebitho a ebe hohoro bia wa wodie no ni ade na kwala toma watena na unsu sabio wotimi awo ni ade a afoi so wakoye family planning ama problem kitten bi tetel o menses nso no bosumi bia se obia ya 7 days won kwa toda 2 days 3 days ebi won so atimi twam 7 days won kwa atimi ko 14 days enye family bless syrup say oye waje nkwa obebo awo etiko pebi to se ya afoi so no wodi bobi a wotwide sia na moja bebre obi a what dental caries kaka halitosis tooth decay me pacho chibeno nak di NBF danjuval gel ho dance fa kire no kacha say Food and Drugs Authority omagia tum say sabio edroba ko a ekumi mo bia sani pasimia no eno a ene NBF danjuval gel pebitho pharmacy bia obenya bia to 0542 929628 0244661941 pebitho say ya ebebo a natural mineral water ye no musuo and show papa isu a no ma wote gran isu a no ma hu sampa wonu musuo wonya woden and one unnatural mineral water e purified isu ni ya krogen afei it contains potassium calcium magnesium now afei nutrients ahodo any pada se ni be hiama bibia timi akoso ye e de ama no ye de several occasion bi ase obetimi ntu atobi da show fridge mu na da several ahoho ko Ghana Commercial Bank car park ni opposite to our new story building on Hana Behunya Depot. Me patch of 0249680213 and 0500231091. Na me adoma Ahenkan FM. Ahenkan FM Christmas football competition e beba so. Enra me usan ko for pick forms. Me patch of bra also be pick forms. E free. Se mo ye team na mo organization bia na mo hwa amo mema no mo gira mo na so ye pa mo ni mbo bossing Black Stars mo mbra na mo pick forms now for 24th of the competition be start wa abo Saka Park ye wie nyina 26 Ahenkan FM ye give away e dia ma orphanage ye give away e dia ma sabio inyanka mayisia sabio wo mo ni bie no ye giveaways from Copan dia mom channel so self so media sia over 0244920093 0554171393 Amaje won sana me energy ni bo Amaje no yare bia do Amaje energy bi odi be dwane no ono abe unze sana wrong place eno waba no Amaje Osifa Osanebra Typhoid na fabra infertility kura de jo bibi ketwa kura yetu ase gonorrhea mo amose mozempo no monta entu no omose wo de abra enya hwe wonya go no kura abra ebetu ase da diabetes menstrual problem kidney problem nigna Amaje tu ase ya wachemoda Red Cross Junction opposite of a Green Gas Filling Station. The patch of 0244877840 and 0205045665. Amaje ana wayaresa efie in boost. Esu ye police ni adru aboama ni pada sedibia sabio e boosti immune system no. Ama wonya hoden ro. In boost. Wonu bi da na yakonombi. Mema mu wo jom mo amuchima ewiaso taxi drivers in fact Adwuma din bia wo ye bia ma wa hoden so ate kakra no pe imboost na no pay fasha wo bag mu man twen man imboost den sansan wa kohwehwe bia bi kira kwan pe bi fasha wo bag mu na ono no bi ni ade a Me so me tifo manima hu pan na dia grani hwe screen so. Anyway, Imbuza wa make sure drugstore bia benye bia to friend 24 0246208496 na 0540710113. Na champ 24 tum se ya. Na one sendra ya dia semi ba tu oni ma. Lady bi no hia yambo a. Na ene crowd ya yehu. But me can wish Precious Akoto who Koko a happy birthday with DJ Shabu. Precious Akoto all the way from Nkoko. Say happens to be your birthday. Happy birthday and come on. Nano payment to assembly masteresa. My brand say be so no so ehia yambo send Andra ya boy ya nuaba no. Ono so hia yambo na asam nyina ne say Oni lady bi na wo ho na samia na ni gi oba na ho no nyanya nkoba na yere na ono abrante no oni ne maame mu na tifie tie ne yefa oni ne maame mu tifie ba akom na aya na oba na besra no se ne mpena de obetima besra no tambi opebia abusuafo nyina ya wo se ne mpena oni ne wo ho but ade ba ko a ha no pa no se oba no sabe ne nsa ha no oba no sa ha ne pa da ba ni besra ni bia ne maami kitchen wo intoza na ekọ spices na ekọ moko na ekọ in fact before lady be free fie ho be ko ni fie na boy ne maami kitchen ho nyoma ngina asa when you so afanye aduane o but da shane bag mu di ko ni fie abrante enso po bai ade obeto bia sidem ho no mu bia Lady ni besra ne nkwa before be kona de na yera. Ne ma me de ade foforo be si kitchen wa. Lady ni be kona film ade na yera. Enti sisi why na adwen se sabio se oni oba ni be hia wonnem oni ni be bibia. O ma oba ni mbe fie ho biem. Ne momo be hia wo hotel. And they say a hotel nkwa no oba ni hia. Because omo be fie ho pe. Obekwa ne maami kitchen ho bibie bi beko jenne moko into spices bibie bi be shega yi bagim ne maami sa complain za o de san se odo lady on to be ninja nadia ama ohian ya mo anya ne se last week ya mu ko hotel amu ye do mo be ya mu ko fie no to hu se lady ni baga o de kodo aya kase ya pon otumondum ofoso lady say ombieda omudru reception ho na ya se pipa chomu na ya bese ya hwa ya wi ya gi lady bag biye ma hotel no taro be miensa gu lady bag him taro miensa obo ba hye de bag him abrante ne newu pocho se sia o hu di oye se ye se na me do ba yi ye mini ntena biye ma na minjai no be pa jo na ye hia won so boa sani andra wo boa ni enenso yambo obisa asam na me kan se wate ase a ne nyia ne se oba ne sa ha ne ye pa ati obisa santi oni ni njai ana ofanya mpaye ne ade ebe ye aha enti no won so adwen kire ye gi 0554820910 0554820910 0201944485 first caller your first work as a free
Nana Moro ni akwa bebo ni kase flase.
Nana Moro bibi abako.
Ni akwa bebo yeboa.
Oh okay kom na yeboa bibi abako.
Boko.
E da nyanko ponse. Mami di o yenwe yo hiamboa, onye ne den sisi a.
Be ma no. Wa ya na agin se obefa pleku nyonko ene na danwura fita so dia on kan hu se da bia obesi atete.
Shamase
Nani mu falia dia eda so ogin se krono ne so ya dia oba ne bo a ye ne dedia edi onko so enwale no nemu one ne ntwempra nemu onyim ne wie so dia wale ndi ebe adwuma na chire no aningu ase edi empa ne so da
mate
papa we yi ne na wi ade no On a colo, sister, you. Oh, Papa, you're not done or Papa and Toast.
Come let me have it. I was over to your friend. I enjoy a gentry. Obufi Hotel, one more quite Taro, Kwana Shenabag, me a frost work as a free.
Hello?
Yes, boss. Maybe I'm into why you
Oh, where they are simple.
One down one.
Simple.
Matty, with us. I don't know so hopper or sister or Donny. Obufi Hotel Hawk. Lady Bag my baby, or shot Taro, your frost work as a free. Obaya, Ocasa free. Asane, all right, me that's it, Mammy too.
Hey, where the idea I want to be more crazy. Oh, where the Brazilian photo. The Berman of Buno, now so all was squadder, all talk about Navidi and your cry.
What's it? What's with the your cry? Your frost and Ocasa free. Okay. 0554820910 0554820910 your first work as a friend.
Because I'm free,
Juani Quanta.
Aye.
Your first say
Gideon,
what mean to you?
I am going to Unjano.
Unjano crown.
Aye.
I want to say that's it. 0554820910 0554820910 Vodafone 0201944485. Any days is here. Onjana na radio Nyamebe Republic. Your first organs free.
Isaac Chumesi or Dan Quanta.
Isaac Chumesi at all can't chop about Biabo there.
Biaboko.
Yamiasi, Mammy too.
Oh, I am media. Make us off to a barn into an in Casa. No night, Saturday, no while in Adia.
It's only in Casa, maybe I use a Casa Bim.
I just a Casa Bim.
Right, what's it with us? I brought your family in count of a young property. Your frost and now Casa free.
Champion question.
Ay, yes, any phone in a new back of pay. The fashion boss back of pay. The watch was any. The watch was any. I have to.
Now, wait a moment, now, now, and young commander, the man, this junior Kufu was on it, on the Jomo Blue. Where they are no command immediate. Now, as my walking, it would rather meet you begin class, you know. Oh, problem, pow.
Sound.
Yeah, any panamba, who fear, I'm making a darling woman to my yard. I'm afraid for one time. What should it be? I can't go hotel. I can't go hotel. Many dollars, because one wants to stop Corona's swab and I hotel tell you. I'm going to just serious. I'm the American foot on the manager. We know a young Daniel on Thursday, mammy. What work with your own mom with many share one year? What I will tell you account the end. Pupu Fanny, no Yano. Or bow crom for only who we saw about your Jama for. Ah, the Pia of a good master. What in your Pia?
Mazzi, I have a Bacona VM property grana Sabun Tuazo. The last caller na your property. Obiaso Jano. Oh, but say I'm to me at the end of you. One man can see fan class or a crowd. Oh, last caller, your frost work as a friend.
I said, video in
all right, Mammy too. What did you say?
Just
sorry, Patrol, meet you.
I can't compare, but Monjano can't compare.
Pay a bit to me, I own.
Probably it's not son.
Right, I'll tell you that's it. I am phobia beer. Empire to me as a son. Oh, be I am phobia beer number 2 in your free boom. Some women find me. Okay, your first work as a friend.
I have from Mamma.
Mamma, Okasa free. Oda. Okay, Mati. Shabu say yam foul. Sorry, they go work on. Sorry, they go work on. So, where your mom for your munja for yeah. Shabu the last one, no your focus there. Your first say hello dear, your first say. Your first say.
And then may you my I'll call you. I was right you. I'm not compared baby in Tragra.
All right, Yati. Also, penny baby in Tragra. Shabu the last one. Not time to go. You're not going to go. Say bye.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl Frescalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabena Kosti.
Frida. Darling, what's your problem?
station. So who me here, I am upon the premise. So who me here, I am upon the premise for a handsome reward. Ah, Jamakasa me a glass. Ah, Jamakasa me a crocodile. Make a report to radio station. So who me here, I am upon the premise. So who me here, I am upon the premise for a handsome reward. Okay, catching me come here. In Amoko, in the Kwame Stella, who in Amoko. No hate we love it, no hate we. Mini bona, mini fiabo. Come on, me honey, my late. She rasta lilente, any apo. In la bitch, he can't test him. She come a nearby. Go on, baby, Minya Yanka, Yasim Baconet. Namasimi dofu be said, Manyan ye, no one to me tata, fame, god of passo. Nanso, go, on baby. According in on baby. She back on in a guess, Mama Joe. Lala Yang, Bahote, Metai. Nibi comedy of your Nikai. Boy, comedy of your Nikai, Mama Canada, comedy of your. The cat here, Baba. Boy, dear, you should let it. The tail woman go and play. Darling, what's your problem? A bear can't them. I want to say, where Gino Denny. Darling, what's your movement? A bear can't them. I want to say, where Gino Denny. Catch them, man, fashion more. Catch them,
Mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so you're quite sir. Many advertimobia, but I heard Miss Bell will be performing at Afrochella this year. So when I saw the flyer, I was like, really? Miss Bell? And I, you see, the whole flyer, I knew an about dream. A new way on about dream. Shall we bring it back? Take it from the top. So when I saw the flyer, I said, Miss Bell will be performing at the Afrochella this year. This was the song that came in mind. Bring the song back from the top. Miss Bell. Shoo! Say bye. So those days, me a very big fan of Miss Bell. But Ninyon Fufro Yasi Bolanga de Maya that Dabesine. Maya that Dabesine. And I wish she won't perform that song on the Afrochella stage. I was some organizer can say, Maza, oh, bye, I be 16 years, and it's a maintenance one. I had done in those days when you know, oh, by yeah, Afro, friends, I see Bolanga, then they were had my dear division. But anyway, it'd be very nice to see Miss Bell perform on Afrochella this December. There, in fact, Ghana, they're not in Accra. It is a Drew 24 na say me shada yare na me twa management ntro say me yare na me ma me say doctor bi wa Accra betima sam yare na je say mu hu say mo bo Accra Christmas no an cry. It's me am ya me plans bi say for 20th May yare na me ho ato me 1st January. Right, you call your friend Jenny with champion Boate Cosmos. Mami Pokua, Ewaha, na try, and then so I send a rig in the bill. Rig with your boy, yes, and what then, yes, what on 700 citizens.